Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Riot server status and your region. This rules out backend outages. Once done, plug into wired Ethernet. It reduces packet loss versus Wi-Fi, so prioritize it. Next, power cycle hardware. Turn off router, then modem, wait 30 seconds, then power modem first and router after. This clears transient routing errors and DHCP conflicts. Make sure your PC uses the wired adapter and disable Wi-Fi to avoid adapter switching. This prevents sudden latency spikes during matches. You now fix the software side. Flush DNS and renew your IP to remove bad entries because stale DNS causes high lookup delays. Next, shut down bandwidth hogs. Cloud sync and downloads can spike latency mid-game. Update network adapter drivers. Outdated drivers cause jitter and packet loss. Also, disable VPNs or proxy services unless required. Finally, check Windows Firewall and Router NAT. Allow Riot and unblock required ports so the client reaches matchmaker and game servers without being dropped. You finish by auditing the path. Run a traceroute to the Valorant IP and inspect any hops with consistent high latency or loss, since intermediate carrier issues need ISB escalation. Once identified, enable router co-S and prioritize your gaming device. Reserve about 20% bandwidth for stable gameplay. If problems persist, reinstall the Riot client to fix corrupt files and gather logs for support. If nothing works, call your ISB with traceroute results. This accelerates resolution. Tip: try a different DNS like 1.1.1.1 when tests fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.